Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, log in your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come on to the task number 1 and copy this name spanner. Paste it here in search box and open this first option spanner in new tab. Now click on this create button and now come back to the lab instruction page. Scroll down, you will get this table. For addition, we have to select enterprises. Okay, for addition, enterprises is already selected. Then click on this continue. For name, come back to lab instruction page, copy this name from this table, paste it here, and now click on this continue. For configuration, copy this name and click on this select a configuration and paste it here in type of filter and select this. Then click on continue. For configure computer capacity, unit node and quantity 1. So node is already selected and quantity is already 1. So now simply click on this create. Now wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with the task number 1. Come on to the task number 2 and now come on to this Google Cloud Console. Scroll down little bit, you will get this option create database. Click on this create database. For database name, come on to that lab instruction page. From task number 2, from point number 2 of task number 2, copy this name, paste it here. Now scroll down little bit, you will get this create button. Click on this create. Now wait for some time. Okay, so now database is created. Now we will move for next task. Wait for some time to get this data loaded. Okay, now scroll down, you will get this create table option. Click on this create table. Now click on this new tab option. Come back to the lab instruction page, click on this task number 3, copy this code, paste it here and click on run. Now wait for some time to get this code executed. Okay, after getting this green tick, come back to the lab instruction page and directly come on to task number 5. So now we have to activate our Cloud Shell. So come back to the Google Cloud Console and activate Cloud Shell from here. Now click on this continue. Then authorize. Okay. After activating the Cloud Shell, come back to the lab instruction page, scroll down little bit in task number 5. Copy this line of code from point number 2 of task number 5. Copy this line of code, paste it here in Cloud Shell, hit enter. Okay, after this code get executed, come back to the lab instruction page, scroll down little bit, copy this another line of code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. Now come back to the lab instruction page again, copy this another line of code, paste it here and hit enter. Wait for some time. Okay, so now we are done with the task number 5 and also we are done with this lab. Now simply click on this check my progress for each and every task. You will get green tick. Okay, so we have got the green tick for task number 5. Now for task number 3, click on check my progress. Then for 2, click on check my progress. Okay, so we have completed with this lab. Now you can simply end this lab. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you like this tutorial video, then hit that subscribe and like button.